Right, here we are then, tricycle project, part 2. I think it's a year, isn't it, since the last video went up. And if you look at it now, it doesn't look like there's much has changed, but I've done quite a bit of work on it on and off over last year. So we'll start off with like body work on it. Everything has been done that I can do to it to get it to 180 grit. It's taken absolutely ages to get in every nook and cranny. The front were really awkward to do. All these headlamp curves and down here, it's still not perfect, and I'll never get it perfect. But I'm just doing best I can. I'll go all over it again with 240. I think I've actually got a mate who's going to paint it. Because last time I was talking about wrapping it, wasn't I? I did get a price for wrapping it, but no, I'm going to do it, get it done properly. He's going to do it in 2-pack. There was a big, if you can get down here now, there's a big repair down here that I'm just finishing off. I don't know if it caught or something or whatever, but there was a big repair there. That wasn't the biggest repairs, but it's kind of almost hidden. Drilled holes for new overriders I've got. I've yet to drill holes for the fog and spot lamps that were fitted to 21E. I've got brand new ones of them I got from Bewley. This is, as I mentioned before, this is not a 21E, but I'm doing a 21E lookalike as best I can. So if we go around, I think the doors were off in the last video. Well, they've all been stripped completely. All the mechanisms are out, the glass is out, and I've only put them back on because my painter says he wants them on. It'll be easier, but when it's painted, the doors are going to have to come back off. The frames are going to have to come back out to reassemble them. There's no rubbers in, quarter lights are out, everything. I've even got new quarter light glass cut. I was missing one quarter light glass. I got some new ones cut, but I know how I'm going to do them. I'm just going to seal them into quarter light frames because they've got to be painted separately. It took a while to find all the gubbins and bits and pieces for the hinges down here, but it's been done. So inside, I'm gonna, if you look inside here, I haven't drilled the holes yet for the gauges. The original 21E had an ammeter and an oil pressure gauge. I'm gonna put a voltmeter in instead. I don't want an ammeter, a bit old fashioned. But there ain't been a right lot more done. Just the wheels, if you look at the wheels, right, these wheels are Austin A35 wheels that I bought locally for a tenner. I had to drill the holes out because my studs were slightly too big, but I've only bought these wheels to roll the car around and to go for when it goes painted. They're only a tenner. The original wheels have already been shot blasted and powder coated like an off-white, because I think the original Reliant wheels were white, so that's all going to go back. Like I say, it's taken ages to get the body to where it is now, and I'll finally go over it with 240. Have a look at boot. I think the boot was a bit of a mess last time when we had a look, but I've stripped it all out. The petrol tank's come out, that's been restored. I've since fitted under there is actually a Kawasaki 600 fuel pump, electric fuel pump. I'm not going to use the original mechanical pump. This has just all been cleaned out and brush painted. I'm going to have all this painted same as body colour in here, but obviously I don't expect that to come out with any kind of shine or anything. So this is where we're at, and it's just taken a bloody long time. The seats are at home. I want to go through all the bits and pieces I've got at home to show you what I've got to go on it. It's basically just a load of new old stock. But where we are now with the body, there's just tiny, if you come up roof here, just finding little bits that just want skimming over with dolphin glaze, and I'm right near the end of that now. And basically that's it. That's where we're at the moment.